Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. As with any repair, be sure you unplug the appliance before beginning. Your first step is to remove the buzzer switch knob. You can use string or wire to help pull it off. Next, remove the screws at the back of the control panel. Slide the control panel to the side and detach it from the main top. Now remove the wires from the old buzzer switch. Lift the tab and rotate the old switch counterclockwise to detach it from the control panel. Install the new buzzer switch by inserting it into the control panel and rotating it clockwise to lock it into place. Connect the wires to the new switch. Reposition the control panel and secure the screws. Replace the buzzer switch knob. You're now ready to plug the power cord back in and confirm that the appliance is functioning properly.